Hey guys, so I am super excited about this video because I got a Secret Santa gift from Ankita. So she picked up a couple of things from Benefit and I have no idea what they are. Okay, so I think I'm gonna first unbox everything that's in the bag and then go ahead and do my makeup. Okay, so I've just opened the first zip, which is the big one, and I can already see a lot of products in this. I'm just gonna like randomly take out stuff. So I've got the Highbrow Glow Pencil. I think this is like a highlighter pencil. Oh, I also have a goof-proof eyebrow pencil. I think she already knows how much I love this. Thanks for helping me restock. I think this is in the number 4. And then I've got the foolproof brow powder. Oh, I've been wanting to try this. I love the packaging of this. So this is actually packaged as an eyebrow and I was actually looking forward to trying this. And I think I'm going to use this on my eyebrows because I've already used the rest of the thing and this I haven't tried. And she's also put in a Porefessional. She knows that I'm an oily girl. I love the Porefessional. This was actually one of the first products that I bought from Benefit, and I remember this being such a rage back then when I had just started doing YouTube. Oh, she sent me a lipstick. I'm actually super excited to try this. This is the They're Real Double the Lip. So basically it's like a teardrop shape one and it's got like dual shades, so you get like a nice ombre effect, and it has like a lipstick and liner in one. I remember having a conversation with her about this. This is the Girl Meets Pearl highlighter and I'm so excited to try this. Oh my god, I am so happy that this is here. I can't wait to put all of this in my face. We also have a mini Bad Girl Bang mascara. I already have this mascara and I love it. I remember raving about it. So I'm going to use the one that I have already. I have the big one and that I'm going to save for my travel. So that's it for the big pouch right here. I am going to open this one. I see the Benetint. So I've got a mini Benetint like I suspected. I am going to use that both on my lips and cheeks today. I have a mini They Are Real. She loves the They Are Real mascara. That's one of her favorites. Oh my god, there is Sunbeam. Oh my god, I've been wanting to try Sunbeam for so long. This is such a Vava Voom liquid highlighter and I cannot wait to drench my face in this. I'm obsessed. Thank you. Okay, what's next? I have the Porefessional powder, Shine Vanishing Pro Powder. I think she already has this and I remember her telling me how nice this was, and I also remember trying this in Sephora once, but I never really got my hands on it. I'm excited. I've heard good things about the Porefessional Agent Zero Shine, I think it's called. And last but not the least, we've got Rocketeur. And this looks stunning. Oh my god, look at this. Anyway, now I think I'm just gonna move on to doing my face using all of this. I'm so excited. Thank you, Ankita. You have killed it. Alright, so that's everything in the bag. And now it's time for me to go do my makeup. This is my finished look. I really like it. Love the lip actually. It is super wearable and I'm so excited. This is the kind of makeup that I've been doing these days, like super simple, very effortless. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing festive season wherever you are. I'm wishing you a very happy new year now itself, and I wish you all the happiness and you have all my love as always. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.